Hello, if you lost your SIM eject tool and you wish to open or eject the SIM tray, as an alternative you can use other stuff as well, as long as they are small enough and there is no real danger of them breaking when you put them inside and if you push them down, because of course this is what we need to do in order to eject the SIM tray. As an example, we can use a paper clip. We can straighten one end of a small paper clip and insert it into the SIM tray hole. And of course be gentle but firm when you put it in and when you push it. And you need to do this of course until the tray pops out. You can use an e-ring or a safety pin as well. And if you have a mechanical pincer or something like that, it works as well. And if you have a metal tipped or hardened toothpick, this should work too. So simply anything that is small and quite firm or strong, it should work. Talking about toothpick, a wooden toothpick isn't really recommended. It might easily break. It might not be strong enough to pop out the SIM tray. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!